And we're back to JavaScript. Let me show you how we can use the reduce method. It can be used, for example, to sum up the numbers in an array. We've got this number array yet again that I've been using in the last tutorials. We'll define a new variable called letSum and then equals, we use our array. Apply the reduce method. Inside we have to define a function now. To do that we need two parameters. One that stores the sum and one for the elements. So I call that accumulator or just ACC, and then element for the elements. These are the parameters. And now what we simply have to do is to use ACC and then plus the number, comma 0, and then we have to change this. Oh, my mistake here. Obviously we have to use the element instead of num. So the element is the number, but I've given it the name elem, so we have to use that here as well. And there you go, 422. And if you're wondering why did we add the 0, this is to initialize the accumulator. So we have to set this parameter that's used in the function to 0. And this is the value that we're starting with. You can also use the reduce method on string values. Let me set up a simple array with hello world, coding is fun. If I run it directly, you get a weird result, but you can see this is already going somewhere. Just have to change a couple of things. This is obviously now a word, so let me change element to word. I keep the accumulator. It's going to store the final sentence. And here I add plus word. We don't need the 0 anymore because we don't have to initialize it. 1 plus too many. I run it again. Gotten rid of our brackets, but we want to add spacing, so we add plus, quotation marks, space, and then plus again. There's still 1 plus too many. Let me delete that. And now we have our sentence. And this is how you can use the reduce method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.